Exxon Mobil and the consumer driving stocks higher today. Let's get right to our Deborah Kostroun at the New York Stock Exchange with the latest news. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pim. And of course, on Friday we had that big tumble. So making back a little bit of what we lost on Friday. But today we were really focused on those economic reports and the market not so focused on Egypt, especially as we were on Friday. Now, we saw businesses expanding at the fastest pace since 1988. Also, consumer spending rose more than forecast in December. That was certainly good news. But the really big news that overshadowed everything was energy, because energy shares, they rose not only on the fact that Exxon's earnings beat estimates, but the company posted its fourth consecutive quarterly profit on an increase in energy demand, and also because of the increase in prices. And speaking of the increase in prices, Brent crude exceeded $100 a barrel for the first time since 2008, mainly because of concern that supplies may be disrupted because of the unrest in Egypt. Also, crude oil surging to the highest price in more than 2 years and coming in close to $92 a barrel. And so that also helping out energy, those energy stocks, the best performers today. And then there was a little bit of M&A news. Massey Energy jumping after Alpha Natural Resources agreed to buy the coal producer for $7.1 billion, Pim.
Now, Deborah, some news about Intel. We know about their chipset causing concern, but the stock closing the day unchanged.
That's right, Pim, because Intel down as much as 2%, but ending the day unchanged. And this is after saying that they will incur that $1 billion in missed sales and a higher cost to fix a design flaw in one of their chips. But the real winner out of all of that was their rival, Advanced Micro Devices. They saw a pretty good day on that news. Now, we also today closed out the books on the month of January. And just to take a quick peek at how we did, we actually saw gains for our major averages. The Dow up 2.7%. The S&P, it was the best January for the S&P since the year 2000, up 2.2%. And the NASDAQ up just shy of 2%. So starting out the year, at least, Pim, for the month of January on a pretty positive note. Back to you.
Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun, reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.